seems to have some sort of brine and netting around the turkey roast. Let's see. All right, so some of this turns out to be turkey gravy. It was inside the package when I cut it, so be aware. So it's been some time since I've used an oven. Not that I don't have a pretty nice one. Although we do have that little guy that I use a lot, but comes to it, this little dude has been doing a number. Yeah, don't stick no metal in the microwave. Hate to see metal going in a microwave. Yeah, alright. Well, I think we need to add some potatoes. Something. Can't just have turkey. So with a little movie magic, we got the spuds in there, nice and clean. Need to get some salt on all of this. And we'll see how we go. We're gonna get them dressed up. There we have it. $69. Well, that's where we're starting. With items this large, I don't really worry about the preheat. It's gonna all start baking as it goes anyways. It's sort of gonna do, I guess, an air fry until it reaches temperature. And it goes into a convection mode. Yeah. Who'd have thunk it? Cook and roast in the microwave. Alright, oven is ready. Calling it an oven. Yes, it is, microwave oven. Open it up. Coming along. And roast time. Let's roast you for about 25 minutes. Okay, so we're at 20 minutes, well, or so, and I added some time. And it just doesn't, it might be. It's got a good crust, but still a bit, jiggly. Yeah. Let's give it some. So you say. She looks ready. For some reason, she even sounds ready.